Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. In our last lesson, we learned how to create a budget. Today, we'll dive deeper into one of the most important habits for financial success, tracking and categorizing your expenses. Tracking expenses means writing down or recording where every dollar goes. Why is this important? Because money can disappear quickly when we don't pay attention. By tracking, you'll see patterns in your spending, and you'll finally know where your money really goes. There are many ways to track expenses. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a mobile app like Mint, OneApp, or even your bank's app. What matters most is consistency. Every purchase, from rent to coffee, should be recorded. The more accurate you are, the better your budget will work. Once you've tracked your spending, the next step is categorizing it. Categories might include housing, food, transportation, education, entertainment, and savings. Categorizing helps you see what percentage of your money goes to needs versus wants. This makes it easier to identify where you might cut back. Imagine a student who spends $600 on rent, $200 on groceries, $150 on eating out, $80 on streaming, and $50 on gas. By categorizing, the student can see that food and entertainment are taking up more money than expected. With this insight, they can make adjustments to stay on budget. So, tracking and categorizing expenses means writing down everything you spend, grouping it into categories, and reviewing the results. This simple habit gives you awareness, control, and confidence with your money. This concludes our discussion about tracking and categorizing expenses. In the next lesson, we will learn about fixed and variable costs. See you then.